Hello everyone and welcome back to MachineStation. Today we have a Haas VF-6 50. This machine comes with an upgraded Haas CNC control. It has a 30 horsepower high torque spindle motor, a 7500 RPM spindle, a 20+1 side mount automatic tool changer, MPG Control, rigid tapping, advanced tool management, Spindle Orientation, Programmable coolant. As usual, I'm going to list all of the specs in the description below so we can take a look at this machine. Well, there you all have it, the Haas VF-6 50. If you have any more questions on this machine, go ahead and call us at 909-919-9600, or you can jump over to our website. It's www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we will see you next time.